carved wood paneling. Definitely a palace in Ponca City, Oklahoma, middle of nowhere. I mean, look at this chest. Wow. There's really not much around here to see other than this. But this is definitely an amazing house, without a doubt. How the other half lived. This is one of the early oil drilling areas here in Oklahoma. So when they first found oil, this was one of the first, one of the first boom towns, I guess. Or maybe not one of the first, but you know what I mean. Oil boom town. So yeah, this is Marland's second mansion, and I will be going to the first mansion here momentarily. Nice place to have a wedding, I'll say that. If you're gonna have a wedding, it's a proper nice place to do it. I would recommend it.